Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so we can create an array with a for loop, but we can also print it out to the screen with a for loop. Let me show you what I mean. Let's get rid of all this here. We're going to keep our for loop for now, and then we're going to do, we'll just go up here and we'll add, let's say we just add 3. We'll add Mustang, Corvette, and we'll add Ferrari. Now, something else I want to show you here is because you do have things like push, your array could change its length. So you don't just want to say x is less than 3. What we can do is we can put x is less than car dot length. And what that's going to do is it's going to actually just search for however long the array is, and it's going to do that, and that's it. And then what we can do is we'll get rid of this prompt here, and we can do document.write car x. And now if we refresh the page, you'll see that it says Mustang, Corvette, Ferrari. And if we do the page break here, as it loops through, it's going to put each one on a new line. So let me explain this car.length a little more. So if I want to go here and I add, let's say Jaguar, and I hit refresh, it's going to automatically add that. So if all I did was I went x is less than 3, you notice it's only going to do 0, 1, and 2. And so if I was using the push method to add Jaguar, it wouldn't show it. So if I go, let's see, I want to do car.push. I'll do Jaguar. Doesn't show up. However, if I do car.length, what that's saying is as long as it's less than the length of this. So what it's saying is basically it's saying as long as it's as long as the array. I know that sounds weird. If you hit refresh, it's going to add Jaguar. So what that really does by putting car.length, all you got to know is that makes it the exact length of the array. That's all you really got to know about it. Don't have to confuse it any more than that. When you put the array.length, it's automatically going to check for the length of the array. So if I push, whoa, what did I type there? Holy cow. If I put BMW here, it'll automatically add it because it's automatically checking the length of the array. And I suggest doing it that way so that you don't have the problem where it's only listing the first 3 and you're like, oh my goodness, why isn't it doing this? Oh, because I added 2 using push and I only had it set up to check for 3. So that's how you can display a array on the screen using a for loop. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.